round shape with no edges or corners represents unity, infinity, and wholeness. Examples: sun, clock, wheel,
Square.
a shape with four equal sides and four corners symbolizes stability, balance, and order. Examples:
Window. Chessboard box.
triangle, a shape with three sides and three corners represents strength, growth, and direction. Examples: mountain,
Pyramid. Pizza slice.
rectangle, a shape with four sides where opposite sides are equal denotes stability and flexibility. Examples: door, book, TV screen. Oval, elongated circle like an egg, stands for uniqueness, creativity, and growth. Examples: egg, balloon, mirror,
Star.
a shape with five or more points, usually symmetrical, represents light, hope, and dreams. Examples: stars in the sky, decorations.
Heart.
A rounded shape resembling a heart symbol stands for love, kindness, and care. Examples: heart symbols in art or decorations. Hexagon, a shape with six sides, represents harmony and strength. Examples: honeycomb, nuts, and bolts. Pentagon, a shape with five sides, stands for protection and unity. Examples:
Pentagon building, house rooftops.
diamond, a slanted square shape, often like a kite, symbolizes elegance and clarity. Examples:
Kites. Playing cards.
diamond, suit,